Hey guys, PMHK here obviously. Today's video we're doing something cool. I like to call it cool. But today's video we're gonna be installing a camera. There's a camera that I actually showed on a couple of videos ago, which is the smaller brother to this camera here. This is the Wise 1080 pen. This camera spins around. Actually it's disconnected right now. I'm connecting it to the computer since it's on the table, but it normally stays there next to the home port. But yeah, we're gonna be installing that camera outside. That camera is in my room right now. We're gonna be installing it outside. It took so long for me to actually get to install it because I was missing a long USB extension. This is a 10-meter USB extension cable, USB 2.2 extension cable, which is gonna run through the roof because I need to put that camera on. The roof. Now that camera is in the room right now, so we're gonna go get it, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly where. I keep looking at the screen. Go down. I'm gonna show you exactly where on the roof I'm gonna put it, but let's go get the camera first. Since I have this here, we need the camera, we need this. We're gonna need maybe a screwdriver as well, and we might need a ladder to go up the roof. So, this here is the camera that I'm gonna be installing outside. I already bought a cover. This camera is not supposed to be installed outside. That's why I need this cover here to try and protect it. But the front, as you can see, the front is actually still exposed. I just hope that it doesn't get rainwater where I actually want to put it. This is the Wise camera 1080p. The camera actually also takes a memory card, but you guys can go. I'm gonna link the video of this camera down in the description right below the like button, and you guys can actually go back and watch that video out. So this is the camera. I have the extension cable. We also need the screwdriver. I need to look for the screwdriver. Kinda hit a glitch. I found a problem. I need a screwdriver, and all I can find are these ones. I need a star one, and all I can find are these ones. I need something that will go in here. So let's now look at the stuff I have. I have the camera here. I have the extension. This is what I need. Camera extension. Obviously the mount is already here. It's mounted. I also have the screw. Managed to find the screwdriver. This is the star. Is this Phillips head or is it just a star? Okay, star. Let me do like the makeup artists do. All right, there we go. This is a star. And I'm also going to need to remove the memory card that I use on the inside camera because I'm going to need it to record. What the memory card allows you to do is to store footage, and you can actually scroll back and see what happened during the day, or even when you have like a motion detection or somebody was walking around the camera, you can also use the memory stick or memory card to record that data. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be removing the memory card from here and installing on this camera. I'm probably gonna buy another one when the quarantine finishes, and it's really a strange time right now with the pandemic that's going on. Look at this. Right now, I'm seated in the living room, and I can actually take a little glance outside, and the roads are actually quiet. There are no cars passing. Okay, there's one. Okay, that's not a car actually. Okay, there's one car passing. That's a taxi. The taxi just passed. They're just stubborn. They don't want to go into the 21 days lockdown that we actually all supposed to go through to actually to try and prevent the further spread of the virus, because the more people get infected in a shorter amount of time, which is actually what's starting to happen, the harder it is for the medical system to actually try and look after everyone. So the more we self-distance from others, the less we get into contact with groups of people, the slower the virus will spread, or even not at all. So I really hope you guys are staying indoors for these 21 days as the president has actually advised or told us to do. Because also other thing is, if they catch you outside, the military is actually beating people. So if they catch you outside, they're gonna hit you, so stay indoors. All right, so I'm gonna put this thing inside. I don't need those. These are all the things I need. Memory stick, check. This, check. This is the USB extension. I'm gonna need the USB that came with the camera itself. So let's open and see what's actually inside this box. Where's my knife? Okay, knife. Here's the knife. So let's put that on the side for now, and then we're gonna check it out. So, okay, I don't need a knife for that, so I'll put the knife on the side. Maybe I do need a knife. No, there we go. Open. The reason I'm opening it right here is because I have to try to see if the camera will connect with this extension, because I remember I tried connecting the camera with another USB cable, and the camera actually didn't want to switch on. I don't know if the USB doesn't carry power itself or what was going on with that, but yeah, I'm gonna try and connect with this camera here. We don't need that. So here's the cable. Let's just test it out. Camera extension. So this is the extension that's gonna run on the roof to the plug point where I'm going to connect this. I understand there are actually other cameras that connect wirelessly and has a battery inside. This connects wirelessly, but it doesn't come with the battery inside. That's why I need an extension to connect it to power directly. So all right, so it seems that it's working. I don't see any light. Okay, there's the light behind. As you guys can see, it works. I see why it wasn't focused. The autofocus is on manual. That's why it wasn't focused. Okay, so there's the camera. It's powered on, which means the cable actually works. By the way, if you guys didn't watch my previous video, I'm giving away this Gorilla Pod here, or tripod. This is not a Gorilla Pod. This is a Gorilla Pod, which is broken. I'm giving away this tripod here. You have to watch my previous video or the video where I talk about this. You're actually going to see this guy on the thumbnail, or I'm just going to put the video, this thumbnail over here, this thumbnail here. So go and watch this video here, or this one here. Actually, I think it's the, okay, just watch both, and this one here is the one with giveaway. So go watch that video, and the information for the giveaway is actually right there. Because of the zombie apocalypse, I have to wear a mask each time I come outside. Not really, I'm just being extra. So I need to go all the way up there to put the camera. It needs to go somewhere there. And I was saying it's really tall, even for me. Just for me to show you guys the distance. Okay, so this is where I end. This is my height from here to here, and I need to go all the way there. So the idea is to go all the way from that side, go on top of the roof, cross, come and sit right there while I try to put the camera on that wooden frame over there. If something happens to me, please call 911. But probably by the time you guys see this, it's gonna be a bit too late. There we go, we're here. Oh yeah, I need to put it here. But it seems like it's too far for me to reach. Let's make a plan. Right, so there we go. So it's day 2 of me trying to put the camera outside. Actually, not trying. I managed to actually put it outside. Some stairs from the neighbor. I actually started this the day before yesterday, so I started this 2 days back, but because I didn't have proper stairs to climb, as you guys could see, I had to change actually the plan. The plan was for me to go to the roof and try and install it from the roof, but that didn't work because the spot where I wanted to put it was going to hide the camera, so I had to change the plans a little bit, drill just below where I wanted to place the camera previously. But yeah, I managed to do that. The reason I have the milk here is because I'm coming from the roof right now. As you can see, I'm sweating and I'm very dirty. I'm coming from the roof right now to do the final connection of the extension cord to the actual camera's cord, which actually also connected to the power right in the roof itself, which should be all that I needed to do for the camera to work. Now, all I need to do is actually check if the connection is working or not, which I actually haven't done it yet. So, moment of truth is going to be now. Okay, why is app? My throat is full of dust. And apparently the milk helps clean, so let's hope it does. All right, male bedroom cam is there. It's actually on. Okay, authenticating. There we go. It's working. As you guys can see, I can actually kind of hear myself from here because the microphone is on. But yeah, we have a surveillance camera outside. So yeah, this will be it for this video. Don't forget of the giveaway that I'm doing. There is the giveaway package on top of the table. It's a little tripod I'm giving away. That video is actually it's sitting on 90 likes if I'm not mistaken, but it needs to get to 100 before I actually pick one of you guys down in those comments. And things that you have to do is similar from all the other giveaways. You have to be following me on Instagram, subscribe to the channel, have to like that video, and yeah, leave a comment also on that video. And when that video reaches 100 likes, I'm going to pick a winner for that giveaway. And I'm just trying to keep myself really busy. That's why I actually decided to install that camera outside. That was one of the reasons I decided to install that camera outside, just to keep me doing something, because As you guys know, we are on a 21 days lockdown. There isn't much we can actually do. For some reason, actually this couple of days I actually missed the hardware store because there were a couple of things that I was missing that I needed to go maybe buy to be able to install this camera successfully, like the ladder itself. But I managed to get the ladder from the neighbors, which they were actually really cool about it. And I actually need to go give it back. They asked me to clean before I give it back. It's not like I was painting with the ladder or something. But anyways, I'm just trying to keep myself busy. I also exercise sometimes in the morning. I actually have an exercise today, and that's something that you guys should actually do. Don't sit idle just because you're on lockdown or 21 days. Now you are lazy, and also because of what's going on, it might actually be weighing you down. So I suggest you guys find something to do, like reading. I actually don't like reading, I'm going to tell you that much. Sometimes I do try and read because that's a good way to get information in, especially information that you might not find on the web. So try and find something to read, exercise, read. Like me, I'm trying to make YouTube videos for you guys to actually keep you guys a little bit busy or entertained. It's actually gonna be maybe the second video under quarantine. Why do we say Valentine's but we don't say quarantines? We say quarantine. Anyways, that's just something that I was thinking the other day. So yeah, find something to do, get yourself busy. I'm making these videos for you guys just to keep you guys busy and entertained. I hope you guys actually like, and let me know which kind of content around tech, obviously, that you guys want me to make. And also remember that I cannot really buy anything because they're only selling essential goods. So it's gonna be a little bit hard to make videos, or yeah, to just make tech videos on this channel. That's why I'm actually deciding to make a little bit more vlogs than anything else. So yeah, I'm now mumbling. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Yeah, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Oh yeah, notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. Ciao.